Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. I just planted 2 plants, so I need to install some irrigation onto those plants. So we're going to use this special tool here to create a hole to the main line, and then we're going to use this olive oil here to lubricate the emitters to put onto the tubing to make it a lot easier. If you haven't been to my channel, please like my channel and subscribe to learn some do-it-yourself home projects. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get to action. We're going to go ahead and put an addition to the irrigation line. Right over here is the irrigation line. So we're going to use this this tool here. As you can see, what's going to make the hole is right there. Actually watching this video, you probably want to know what these materials are called. So these lines are called 1/4 micro tubing right here. All right, and then what we're going to use to connect to the tubing there, this is called the 1/4 barb connector, or 1/4 barb double connector. And what they mean by that is each end has holes, right, so the water can flow through. So let me open it up real quick. And then right here, I'm going to use this little dripper here to go on the end of the micro tubing on the other end. So let me open this up real quick. All right, we already spoke of it being very difficult to put this onto this, right? So what we're going to do is use this virgin oil, olive oil, and we're gonna lube this so it goes on much easier. It's nice and lubed. You don't have to use olive oil, you can use whatever oil you have. So alright guys, with my micro tubing here, I'm just gonna apply pressure going this way, and I'm gonna do it in a twisting manner. It's real tough, but you gotta twist and turn. Shopping for this micro tube, you gotta get the real pliable one. This one's not too pliable. Actually, I have to put some gloves on. Alright guys, I'll put on some gloves so I can apply more pressure going this way. Alright guys, it's finally on. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's finally on. But yeah, when you get this micro tube, make sure this is more pliable. Maybe it's because it's been sitting out in the sun, but it's finally on, so we're gonna go ahead and connect it. Right here. It's in. We know it's in because we're trying to pull and it's not coming out. And then we're gonna apply this onto there. Alright guys, so now we have the dripper emitter. We just slip it on. I think it's gonna go on a little bit easier. And it does. Just turn. It's on, guys. Nice and tight. Bring it over to the shrub. Alright guys, so the next tip is, as you can see, this micro tubing. See how it's curling up? Because it's been balled up in a bind. And it wants to pull back like this. So your goal is to keep it close to the plant. So they have these stakes here, right? And you put them in the ground, right? Just put them in like this. And then what you do is you take the micro tubing and you put it in there. Just slip it in there. All right. Show you. I'm gonna pull it up more this way. So there you go. You see how I have it? So I have the stake in. And then I have my ear emitter right over here. Just like that. Alright, so it stays in place. That's it, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, my irrigation is set up, right? So what you can do with this micro tubing, obviously you can bury it in the ground, right? I also want to share with you, I like these spin emitters. See right here, I can control how much water I want to give it by just turning it, right? If I want to stop giving it water for a few days, I could just turn it and basically just shut it off. So I'm just going to turn it on a little bit, just a little bit. Give it that much water, about a half an hour. It should be like 1/4 of a gallon. So guys, we just finished up that project, so I'll see you guys in the next project. Hopefully you guys like my video. I'm new to YouTube. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.